Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to go through the two treasury bonds which have been reopened by CBK. Now, remember I had told you before that treasury bonds are auctioned every month. So literally every month you have a chance to take up an investment with the government. These are safe securities. These are safe investments, yeah? Treasury bills are auctioned every week, but bonds are auctioned every month. Sometimes, instead of issuing a new paper, CBK can reopen the ones that had been auctioned earlier. That means that when you decide to invest in this paper, this month's auction, you will be investing at the same terms and conditions that the people who had taken up this paper when it was first auctioned invested at. Okay? The only difference that there could be or that there will be is the actual amount you'll be remitting to CBK. Why? Because when the paper is reopened, it can either be reopened at par, it can be reopened at a discount, or it can be reopened at a premium. We are going to go through these papers which have been reopened today and see the salient features to enable you make an informed decision as to whether to take up these investment opportunities or skip. All right? Now, like I have said, two papers have been reopened. Let's go through them. I'm going to display that on the screen. Now, FXD1 2024-10, which was initially opened for 10 years, has been reopened, and now the tenor to maturity is 9.5 years. When it was first issued, the coupon rate was at 16%. Tax on this paper is applicable at 10%, meaning that the net coupon on this paper is at 14.4%. If you invest 100,000 shillings on this paper, you will be earning annual coupon of 14,400. Like I had said before, coupons are paid semi-annually. So every 6 months, every September and every March until it matures, you will be earning 7,200 shillings on this paper, assuming you invest 100,000 shillings. All right? The second paper, FXD1 2016-20, which was initially issued for 20 years back in 2016, has a remaining tenor of 12 years. It's maturing in 2036. It also carries with it a tax rate of 10%. Now, back in 2016, when this paper was issued, the coupon rate was at 14%. So that means that at a tax rate of 10%, if you take up this paper, if you take the 2016 paper, you will be earning coupons at a net rate of 12.6%. That is 14% less 10% tax. You will be getting 12.6%. So if you invest 100,000 shillings on this paper, you will be earning 12,600 shillings per year. So every March, you'll be earning 6,300, and every September, CBK will be remitting to you 6,300, assuming you invest 100,000 shillings on this paper. All right? Now, we see that it's similar to the coupon rates, the coupon months are similar to the IFB, the tap sale which we had last month. It also had March and September. Now, if you had watched my earlier video, the video I did on the tap sale, or the video I did on how to choose bonds, remember I told you that IFBs does not always mean they are the best because they are tax-free. This one carries with it a tax of 10%. And this one that has a coupon of 16% and a tax rate of 10% is giving you net returns of 14.4%. All right? The IFB, which was earlier open, the IFB 2023-17, I think that's the number, 17, which was reopened last month, and there was a tap sale for that paper, carried a coupon of 14.39%. So if you look at it critically, that IFB and this treasury bond, there's really no big difference. So even if you had missed that IFB, which had coupons in March and September, you can still take this paper. I'm smiling because I missed that one, and I'm hoping I'll be able to pick this paper. When can you place the bids? As soon as the paper has been auctioned, as soon as the prospectus is out, you can start putting your bid. You can start bidding for the paper. Now, the deadline for putting your bid or bids are closing on 18th September at 10 a.m. All right? And on that same day, we will be having the results in the afternoon thereabout, yeah? And then you are expected to make your payment on not later than 23rd September. You are expected to make your payment not later than 23rd September. My advice to you is, as soon as, if you put a bid on this paper, as soon as the results are out, that is on 18th, work towards making your payment at least not later than, at least by 20th September, 20th, 21st, and 22nd, yeah? So that in the event of any unforeseen circumstances, you have time to make it right. Or in case you are derailed or you can't make it to the bank, avoid last minute rush. These papers will be open for trade in the secondary market on 23rd September. However, given that these papers had been reopened, had been issued earlier, it's being reopened now. Even today, you can still buy it in the secondary market, by the way. Even today, you can buy it in the secondary market because it's already trading there in the secondary market, yeah? Now, which of these two papers do you think is better, or are you going to take both of them? Remember, the coupons are both paid in March and September. So it doesn't even give you room to ladder your cash flows. If you're working towards creating passive income from the bonds, if you want to earn passive income from the bonds and you're doing bond laddering, both coupons are paid in March and September for both papers, yeah? So I told you, whenever you are presented with an opportunity to make more money, always grab that opportunity. I don't know why CBK decided to reopen them and pair them like such. Of course, if you can earn 14.4%, why would you want to go for the 12.6%? Grab the 16% coupon. You grab the 16% coupon, okay? After all, the maturity dates or the maturity period or the tenor to maturity for these two papers, there's not much difference. So go for the 16% if you want to earn coupons in March and September. Lastly, please press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and also give me a like, if you didn't like the video, give me a like still, but let me know in the comment section why you didn't like the video so I can always make it better. See you on the next video.